Hi and welcome to this multi-part video series called PhoneRipe. My name is David Anthony. Now, if this is your first time here, welcome, and do consider subscribing because this channel is all about helping you go further and faster in business and in life. So let's get started.
So, let's look deeper into this critical performance standard 5. And to do that, I'm going to suggest to you that there are 4 types of people we meet on the phone. We call those types the order taker, the price or information giver, the product-focused peddler, and the problem solver. My promise is to have you become a lifelong member of that last group, the problem solver. So let's look briefly at the first 3 groups and then show you how much more effective you can be as a problem solver. First, the order taker. These are the people who you meet every day who are happy and content to take orders rather than to create orders from seemingly casual inquirers. If someone says to them, "I'll take it," or "I want a such and such," they'll take the order. But even then, they won't add in accessory items that the caller probably needed anyway. The order taker does very little, if anything, to influence the sale. And unfortunately, you and I meet them every day. We also meet information and price givers too. In fact, you just heard a classic information giver on the last part of Module 3. Just to refresh your memory, here it is again.
Terrific hardware.
Do you have any double-sided extra strong 7cm packing tape in stock?
Hold on a mo. Yeah, we do.
Well, how many do you have?
Hold on a mo. 6.
Right, and what price are they?
They're $5.63, I think. Hold on a mo. No, they're $6.66.
Okay, bye. And here you see the classic mistake that information and price givers make. All they do is respond to the potential customer's questions in the absolutely mistaken belief that they're helping the customer and being nice. They're not helping that customer at all. You see, why did he call? Well, of course, because he had a problem. Notably, in this case, that he wanted some 7cm double-sided extra strong packing tape. But he didn't come straight out on the phone and say, "Look, I want some 7cm double-sided extra strong packing tape, please." He, like many of your potential customers, phrased that as a question, as in, "Do you have any 7cm double-sided extra strong packing tape?" And our information giver responds, "Yes." Why on earth don't they say, "Yes, we do, in fact. Let's see, how many rolls were you wanting so that I can put some aside for you?" Why on earth don't they ask questions? Why on earth don't they apply performance standard number 5? Ask questions, irrespective. Well, this is going to be hard to swallow maybe, but the answer to those rhetorical questions is that in most cases, they simply don't care enough about the potential customer to ask the questions, to help him truly solve his problem. We need to get it very straight. Being an information giver is simply not helping or caring for the customer at all. And that's because the customer hangs up with exactly the same problem that he rang you with in the first place. Of course, the price giver is a special version of the information giver. "Could you give me the price of such and such?" says the customer. And the price giver says, "Yes, it's $30 or whatever the price is." Again, there are no questions. There's no attempt to truly help the caller solve his problem. Let me just explain that a little more. Imagine that you run a tire store. The caller calls you and says, "I'd like your price on some tires for my Ford Sierra, please." Now, stop and ask yourself these 2 questions. Why did the caller begin the call like that, and what's his real problem?
I hope you got a lot of value today. If you did, click the like button. What that does is help us build our non-profit business school, UBLA. Check out in the description below to find out more about what we're doing and how you can help. This is part of a multi-part series, so keep your eye out for the next video. In the meantime, we've done a great playlist about why do small businesses fail. Check this link over here, and this will show you a great little list about how you can be successful in business. So thank you very much. Catch you again soon.